How to add page numbers in Word in mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add page numbers in Word on your mobile. So first just head over to your Microsoft 365 application. So it consists of all of the Word Excel files, so you can basically use it for free. So once you're inside here, I'll just simply open my dummy document. You can also actually open the legit document, so in your case. So once you're inside here, now simply click on this edit button over here and just click on right. And once you can locate the pencil icon with the A button at the top right at the navigation bar right next to the search icon, just select it. And you can see currently we are in the home page. So now to generate page numbers, just click on this home page and click on insert. So once you're inside your insert, you can just scroll all the way down, and as you can see my page number is currently blanked out, which means I can't actually directly use it. So to use it, what I can do instead is just select the header and footer option right above it. And once I select the header and footer option, so let me just quickly show you from over here. So as you can see, the page number has appeared over here. So basically, if you also want to format your page number, you can actually choose the page number option over here, and you can also try out different formats from over here, just like this, like -1, starting from 1, starting from small ABC or big ABC, or like Roman numbers. So you can do all sort of things from over here, and you can also try to actually remove your page number from over here as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.